Stop saying, I'm fine. Better ways to reply. Hey, be honest. When someone says, hey, how are you? What do you usually say? I'm fine, right? Yeah. But let's be real. That sounds kind of flat. Today, I'll show you how to sound way more natural and actually alive in English. So here's the thing. Native speakers almost never say, I'm fine, unless they're secretly mad. You know, that I'm fine tone. Oh no, they're not fine. Instead, try these supernatural options. Number 1. I'm good, thanks. How about you? Simple, polite, perfect anywhere. Number 2. Doing great, just a bit tired. Sounds friendly and honest. Number 3. Pretty good, busy as always. Very casual and chatty. And number 4. Can't complain. This one's cool, confident, but chill. See, these sound like real people, not like lines from a grammar book. All right, let's practice together. I'll say it first, then you repeat after me, okay? Hey, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Go ahead. Your turn. Nice. Next one. Hey, how's it going? Pretty good. Just finishing some work. Now you try? Perfect. You already sound more natural. Here's a secret. Don't just say the words, feel them. Add a little emotion. That's how you sound real in English. So, quick recap. Next time someone asks, how are you? Skip, I'm fine. Say something real, something you. Because English isn't about perfect grammar, it's about connection. Use your voice, your energy,